camera entry to front staff car park on the southern side of the gatehouse to Tui's, checking stormwater pipe 150mm diameter. After water jet blasting, some remaining cracks can be found with slight tree root intrusion. May be possible to patch and repair later on if required. As can be seen at the top left hand side of the screen, a crack is apparent and continues down and then runs around the base of the pipe and then circulates to the top of the pipe. This can be repaired by patching in position. As can be seen to the right of the screen, there is some dirt intrusion indicating it need of repair. Have reached the junction beneath Bev Chain car park in the loading dock area. Camera will now go around to the right and head down towards the exit drain that is currently being cleaned. Exiting the pipe now into the grated drain near Bev Chain office in loading dock, as can be seen by the sunlight entering. Entering upstream drain of grate in the same car park at the southern end in staff car park. Residue sludge as a result of water jet blasting. We've water jetted 60 metres of this pipework. PVC pipe joined to clay or earthenware pipe can be seen. Not 100% sufficient, it can be patched and repaired in position. Tree root intrusion can be seen on the cracks in the pipework. This can also be repaired using patch and repair. Pipe is cracked and broken, 16.4 metres along in car park. This can also be repaired using an inline patch. Camera has now entered a low point in the pipework, or sagging. It is holding water, but is relatively clear. It is just full of water and sludge. Pipe can be seen to be, whilst running, it has a backfall in certain places, so it is holding water. This can only be repaired by excavation, but it should work efficiently enough for rainfall. This concludes camera inspection of stormwater line in front car park. Other than some slight minor cracks in the downstream line, it should flow efficiently. Upstream line, again some cracks and some sagging in the pipework, but should flow efficiently. Repairs are needed, but not of an urgent desire.